Hello YouTube, thank you for stopping by my channel. So in this video I'm going to go over integrating your Kartra account with your WordPress. Now if you want to have a landing page from your Kartra account, you could integrate it with your WordPress. So you have a lot of people go on your blog, they like what you see, you start gathering leads and potentially make some sales on the products that you're promoting. So there are a few other videos with some different plugins. The plugin that I'm going to show you is free, and it didn't require me to make any further investment. So let me kind of go right here and let me show you get rid of my mug right there. And so this is what you're going to do. You're going to go over here to your Kartra account. Let's say I want to use this page for an example. You're going to get the code. Now this one right here is the one you draw traffic to. You leave that one alone. You're going to want to go here. You want to copy this one, copy it, and then go over here to your dashboard and go to plugins. Now there's this plugin. There's WP Fusion. I went to that one. It required me to do get some kind of theme, some more themes. I went to this other one, Blank, something like that. I can't remember the name of it, but it also required for me to have like a certain page builder. So it took me a while to get here to find this one, but I just got my mind straight. I went over here and I got KCSG Kartra pages. I already installed it. All you do is download, and then you go to install, and it's there. And it's going to give you some details about this product, this plugin. You just read through it. That's the other one, Blank Slate. Also, okay, they say it had some issues before. I don't know. I haven't used it. I just barely got this up and going. So you just read through all this, and it kind of gives you that right there will take you to KCSG Tools for Kartra. You could join this group. And by the way, I'm not promoting this whatsoever. I'm just trying to help out. I got no links in my description for this product, so you just go get it by yourself. Just trying to help out here in case you kind of got stuck like I did. And you could ask questions in here, and this support team down here will respond as soon as they can. So back to the plugins. You got your plugin. You go, you activate it, and let's show you real quick. Install plugins. Now ignore some of these plugins I have. They're going to be getting deleted, a few of them, because I don't need them. But see, where is it? There it is right here. It's activated. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go over here to your pages, and you're going to add new. I already added one. You just add a new one. And we're going to go right here to my example page. I'm going to edit this. And on the other one on a couple other ones right here, they were all right here on the side. Of course, you're going to want to go here, template, and KCSG Kartra page. You're going to want to click that. Make sure you got your page, whatever you want it on your home page, or you want it on your welcome page, your blog, whatever page you want it on. And I'll show you an example of how mine turned out after I show you this video. So this is what I did. You actually come down here to the bottom, and you make sure you got this. See that this right here, it doesn't have your example page in there. I'm going to show you later on in this video where to get that and how to put it so it's more organized. And go right here, Kartra Live. You apply this, request complete, and then you're going to publish this page. You're going to hit publish. Now, let's see what the page looks like. Now you have your landing page on your WordPress. It's all right here. However, let me show you this. I'm going to want to go back because I want to make sure as let me show you right here. I just published it, right? But that example page is not right here. It's not right here. So I'm going to go back over here to my settings. Where is it? Where is it? To my settings. And I want to go to, I think, my generals, if I remember correctly. No, not my generals. Oh, my appearance, duh. You want to go to your appearance, go to your menus. Then when you go to your menus, see your example page is right here. So you're going to want to move that over here. So add to menu. There it is. Then you hit save. Let's see what it gives you down here. And let it go through okay. So we're going to want to come back over here. Let's refresh this. There's my example page. Let's click it. And there's my opt-in form for that page. So I'm just using this for an example. I want to go back in here and take this one out. I actually have my one that I installed earlier today, and it works pretty good. I checked it out on, you want to make sure it could go to your mobile device, also your iPad device, and of course your Mac, unless you're using Windows, of course. But this is the one I made today. I just transferred it in there. And if they want to get their book, everything right here, I got a book of 15 bonuses inside it. Pretty cool book. They just go in here and just get it. So I wanted to make this video because it's a free plugin, and the other ones I would have to invest in some themes, and I'm not really. I mean, you already got your WordPress and you have your kartra, which is probably, kartra alone is like $100 a month. So KCSG is the plugin, and let me see. I want to show you something else. I got that. Okay, I won't want to go in there after this video and delete this example page. But you could also, make this your, let's say you got like your free ebooks or something, or you got a lot of books you want to give away. They have your links inside of them, and people go to your website. So also, this is what I forgot to tell you, that anything that I want to change right here, any of my copy, anything, my color, anything, I'm going to want to go back to kartra, and I'm going to want to go to my page that I created for that. It's down here somewhere, and I'm going to want to edit this. And once I refresh this this page, anything I do different to it, I'm going to want to refresh it and then go back to and then it should pop up right on this page. But you have to go to your kartra first, redo everything in here, and it's taking a while to load up. Something's wrong with my internet. Please excuse me. It's taking a lot of time. So yeah, anything you want to do to this page, any page that you put as your lead capture page, you would have to go to your kartra account and put it in there and just do it. I don't know what's taking this so long, but I know you get the point. I'm not going to go through here and edit the whole thing just so you can see it. I got this page pretty much set how I want it, so it's pretty good. Gives me some pretty good conversions. If any of you like, you could get it and copy it if you want. But yeah, something's wrong with my internet right now, being slow. Anyway, I just wanted to make this video for you, and I hope it helped. If you got any value out of it, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, notification button. I'm making a lot of videos, a lot of stuff I learned, a lot of stuff that I invested in. Hopefully you could get it for free so you could get your business up and going as well and start drawing traffic, grabbing leads, get some sales going, and start building up for your freedom, for your family, for whatever reason you want. Maybe you just want to do it just to say I did it. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for stopping by. Have a good day. Good night. Bye.